Okay, everybody, we're going to take another look at a question about factoring here. We're being asked to factor 5x cubed plus 40, and the kind of the genre, if you will, of factoring that we're looking at right now is sum and difference of cubes. Now, when you look at this one right here, it's the sum of two terms, but those terms aren't cubes here. Now, x is being cubed for sure, but 5 isn't a nice cube, and neither is 40 here. That's okay, because the very first thing you should be doing every time you look at questions like this is you should be looking for common factors first. And in this case, there is a common factor of 5 to those two terms. And so I can factor out the 5. And when I do, I get 5 multiplied by x cubed plus 8. Now I am looking at a sum of cubes. Remember that this is the pattern here. So the very first thing I do is I'm going to take the cube root of each one of those terms. So the cube root of x cubed is going to be x. The cube root of 8 is 2. And we keep the same operation in that first set of parentheses. Then what we do is we take the first term that we just found here, okay, and we are going to square it. So we'll get x squared. Then we take these two terms and multiply them together. And so the second term here is going to become 2x, but we change the operation. So now it becomes subtraction. And then finally, we take that second term and it gets squared at the end here, and we add it on to the end. So this becomes plus 4. Okay? And so we get 5 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, and that is how we're going to factor that. So always remember that you want to be looking for that common factor first, and then you're going to look to see if you've got a sum or a difference of cubes.